I think charity is something which it's not charity if you don't need that thing. If you need it yourself and you still give it, that is true charity. And I think the idea of helping people and a hospital like Tata, which is doing so much good work for cancer patients, and I know certain people who have used the facilities at Tata, and they're absolutely incredible. So I'm absolutely delighted to be hosting the bidding for the auction, and I'm obviously very honored to be part of this event.
So what do you want to say about Mika? Like she has organized
I'm wearing her outfit. It's gorgeous, and I'm really delighted to be here to support Mihika and the Move for Cancer Awareness. It is something that I believe in very deeply, and I think that whatever little we can do, we don't do a whole lot. We do a lot for ourselves. We hardly do anything for anybody else. But if we can do something for somebody else, these are very small opportunities to be able to do it, and I'm very happy.
So आप इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं, आप खुद एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, तो कोई कभी आप भी ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, किसी कॉज को प्रमोट करेंगे और किसी कॉज के लिए ऐसा कुछ इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे?
कुछ है मेरे माइंड में, शायद 1-2 साल मैं अपनी कंपनी को अभी सेटअप कर रही हूँ, मेरी प्रोडक्शन हाउस, उसके बाद मैं ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी 100%। I think more and more education, more and more understanding. I think cigarettes से ज़्यादा what is more important is कि खाने में जो pollution है, pesticides है और जो हम आजकल processed foods खा रहे हैं, जितना हम nature से अलग होते जा रहे हैं, तो हमारी bodies जो है इस ज़माने के लोगों की हर तीसरे person को cancer हो रहा है. So I think that's something which we should educate people about. आई थिंक फिर और महंगा हो जाएगा. लोग रुकने तो वाले नहीं हैं. जिसको स्मोक करना है या जिसको जो करना है वो तो करेगा. सो या लोग छुप छुप के करेंगे वो जो लिकर और प्रोहिबिशन के साथ होता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द आंसर. द आंसर इज कि खुद को रियलाइज होना चाहिए. Yes, please come to Mami, all of you. And I have my short film coming up, which is called Churi, and After Chutney, which I don't know if you guys saw or not. You saw. And Churi is equally khatarnak. And then there is a film of mine at Mami called The Hungry. And after that, I'm writing a feature film with my co-writer called the Dilli Wale Bhatiyas. So please watch out for that. Yes. A very, very happy Diwali to all the viewers. Be safe and have a great time. Enjoy with your family. A piece of art.
I think, Tiska, we have to work our charm.
We have to work our charm. Should we get down into the audience?
Absolutely. Come on. That's what you're good at.
Okay.
Come on, let's
We're
go
gonna
down.
have to go up
Let's have a conversation with people.
This is for the Tata Memorial Hospital, which is doing great work. I personally know a lot of people, including my driver, whose wife had cancer. And selflessly, they have been at minimum cost helping them, the whole family actually, even counseling people, how to deal with cancer and all of that. So
this is the 5th year that Mahika is doing MCAN, and I think it's a wonderful initiative that she's doing. Today, the big C, as they say, is troublesome for many, and it's suddenly become so prevalent. There are a lot of people who, we know, people from our families, our friends, someone or the other has got this problem in their home. And it's a wonderful initiative that Mahika is doing, and especially for those underprivileged ones who do not have those funds to take care of this disease. So all the best, Mahika, and wish you lots and lots of luck. Thank you.
How does it feel to be part of such a cause? All the funds we go to the cancer patients. How does
I think this is a spectacular evening that Mahika has put forward to, and especially before Diwali, where there's this whole feeling of giving and sharing. The privileged few that are here will be able to help those who are not so fortunate. So I think Mahika has just got the right time where we can share, where we can give, and where we can help the people. So that's what MCAN is doing. So great going. I've just walked in. So yes, there's a lot of lovely art that's here. So probably I'll have a look around. Thank you. Wish everyone there a very, very happy Diwali and a happy New Year.
You guys after a long time. How are you? Tell me. Yes, I'm here. I'm very honored to be here and be a part of MCAN, which is run by Mahika for the cancer patients at the Tata Memorial Trust Hospital. And in the last 2 years, they've raised a lot of money, somewhere around 2.5 crores, and it helps a lot of people. I feel that you cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. And I'm very grateful to have people like Mahika and the Tata Memorial Trust to help people who are unfortunate and who cannot help themselves. So the more fortunate should come up and donate and help these people who are struck by this terrible disease, which seems to be incurable, but there are ways to have a longer life and a better life through a lot of treatment.
Cancer is very expensive and it's a deadly disease. It's the most common disease today. We are very fortunate people that we come from luxurious backgrounds, but there are many not who need the money. And therefore today's evening, the purpose of today is for all of us to come together and make that difference and donate and help us raise funds. And thank you, Randeep, for giving us the honor. And
it's my pleasure
help us
entirely.
spread this awareness.
My pleasure entirely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's really not an idea. It's basically a purpose to raise money. So it's more like a movement because it's not about promoting art or my creations or about any effect. It's about raising the funds together and a person takes something home with them. So it's a nice way of saying thank you to them. And we raised huge amounts last year. So I'm hoping this year we can help the underprivileged and make that difference together.
I'm sure. I mean, there's such beautiful works of art.
Yes.
So you can own a great piece of art that you can adorn your houses, and you know that you have contributed to a larger, greater, better cause.
Absolutely.
I'm not walking the ramp, am I? No, I'm not. I'm not walking the ramp.
Well, he's the guest of honor, so he will be coming and speaking a few words on the ramp. So however you want to turn that.
Yeah. Dekhte hain, I would like to contribute the best way I can, but since I do very few films, I'm not the best candidate for it. It's all going well. Thank you very much.